Neural networks, are they digital brains? Not really. We hear about them everywhere, but what are they truly? Let's get real, forget digital brains, think super-powered pattern finders. Yes, they're inspired by our brain's connections, but that's where the similarity ends. It's all about layers, weights, and algorithms, not consciousness or feelings. At their core, neural networks are complex mathematical functions. They take data in, process it through layers, and spit out results. It's all numbers, probabilities, and advanced statistics. No digital dreams, no secret sentient code, just powerful computation. The hype around AI is massive, sometimes exciting, sometimes misleading. A lot of what you hear isn't quite right, so let's separate science fiction from science fact. Understanding the reality is often more impressive and more useful. Neural networks are tools, not minds. They don't think, they calculate. The real story? It's sophisticated math, not magic. Let's dive in and see what's really going on. Ready? Let's go. Picture a web of digital switches. These are neurons, but not brain cells. They're just points where calculations happen, arranged in layers. Input layer takes data, hidden layers process, output layer gives results. Simple idea, complex execution. How do they learn? By finding patterns in massive data sets. Feed them millions of cat photos, they spot features like ears and whiskers. It's all about statistical correlations, not understanding. The more data, the better they get at pattern spotting. They make guesses, adjust their weights when wrong, tiny tweaks millions of times. Weights are like dials, tuning the network's focus. No magic, just calculus and linear algebra. Techniques like gradient descent and backpropagation help fine-tune predictions. The goal: minimize errors, get closer to the right answer. It's a numbers game, pure and simple. No intuition, just relentless math. That's how neural networks learn. Myth 1. Neural networks think like humans. The truth? Not even close. Human thought involves consciousness and emotion. Neural networks just match patterns. They excel at specific tasks, but don't understand like we do. They calculate, not ponder. Myth 2. Neural networks can dream. Pure fiction. Those wild AI images, just algorithmic outputs, not dreams. It's all based on learned data. No imagination involved. Myth 3. They're becoming sentient. Absolutely no evidence. Neural networks are powerful tools, but strictly follow human set parameters. No desires, no intentions, no consciousness. The leap from calculation to consciousness is huge, and we're nowhere near it. Myth 4. They understand context like us. Not really. Sarcasm, nuance, inside jokes, still tough for AI. They might translate words or identify objects but miss the deeper meaning. Human-level context is still out of reach. Neural networks are impressive but not human. Let's keep the myths in check. You interact with neural networks every day. Voice assistants, spam filters, recommendations. They quietly make life more convenient and efficient. Beyond daily life, they're transforming industries. In healthcare, they help doctors diagnose diseases by analyzing images. In transportation, they power self-driving cars, processing sensor data in real time. This tech is seriously impactful. Why care about the details? Because AI is shaping our future. Understanding its strengths and limits matters. It helps us have informed conversations about ethics, jobs, and progress. Neural networks aren't magic or sentient overlords. They're sophisticated tools built by humans for human goals. The future of AI isn't set in stone, it's what we choose to make it. So, how will these pattern finders change our world, and what role do we want them to play? Think about it.